So I'm here in SQL Server Management Studio, and I'm connected to my SQL Azure instance, and I have some databases already created. What I'd like to do is actually start managing one of them using DAC. To get started, I'll right-click on the database, select Tasks, and then Register as Data Tier Application. This wizard will allow me to register that database as a data tier application, as well as set DAC metadata that is part of that registration. First is the application name, which can be different than the database name, a version number, which I can change, and a description. Once I finish setting these properties, I can hit Next, and DAC will validate that the database can be registered through the DAC framework. Great, now I see that there aren't any issues. I can hit Next and proceed with the actual registration. The registration has been successful, so I can close the wizard, and I'll proceed to the management tier inside of Object Explorer and take a look at my database. And I can see that the metadata I used to register the database has been set. You can also delete the DAC registration by right-clicking on the management tiers node for that database, selecting Delete Data Tier Application, select Next, and then ensure that you only delete the registration instead of the database. See that the registration has been removed, the entry has been removed from the management tier, and now I still have my database.